In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel in Systeme.io. We'll start from the Systeme.io dashboard, which is the main area where you manage your account and tools. Once you're there, click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This section is where all of your funnel projects live, so it's the right place to create and manage lead generation or sales pages. Next, click Create to begin building a new funnel. You'll be prompted to enter a funnel name, so type in a clear name that helps you identify the purpose of that funnel later. Keeping your naming organized is especially helpful if you plan to build multiple funnels over time. After that, choose your goal. This is an important part because it determines the structure Systeme.io gives you. If your goal is to collect contact information and grow your email list, choose Build an Audience. If you want people to go directly toward a checkout or purchase process, choose Sell. Then select your currency. This matters most when your funnel includes offers or payments, so make sure it matches the market you're serving. Once that's done, click Save. Your new funnel will now appear in the funnel list. Click on the funnel you've created to open it and start customizing it. From here, browse the template library and hit select on the design that fits your goal. Templates give you a strong starting point, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. After selecting one, click Edit Page to open the page editor. Inside the editor, click on Elements on the right side. This opens the drag and drop editing options so you can swap out text, colors, and images to match your brand and message. Take your time here and make sure the page clearly communicates what you're offering. Clean, simple pages usually perform best, especially for funnels. When you're happy with your edits, click Save so your changes are stored. Then click Exit to return to the funnel settings area. The next step is setting up your automation. Click on Automation Rules. This is where you make sure new leads actually receive what they signed up for. Add a rule such as funnel step form subscribed, then connect it to an action like subscribe to a campaign or add a tag. This helps automate follow-up and keeps your funnel working even when you're not manually checking it. Finally, click Save Rule to confirm everything. And that's it. Your sales funnel is now created inside Systeme.io and ready for the next stage of your setup.